Let's see this question. If each side of a square is increased by 25%, then find the percentage change in the area. So now they are asking about if the side is increased, then what is the change in the area. Okay. Now we know that area is equal to side into side, right? So if you observe it, they are asking about the percentage change, which means the ratio. So whenever a ratio is asked and initially percentages are given, then it is better that you assume some numbers and go with that. That way you will get the answer faster. So you can assume that initial side is 100, either 100 centimeters or meters. Anyway, it is a ratio, it doesn't matter. So let's say it is 100 units, right? And initial is, therefore initial area A1 equal to 100 into 100. So which is nothing but 10,000. Okay. Now they are saying that each side is increased by 25%, which means this one is increased by 25%, this one is increased by 25%. Therefore, what will happen to the final area? The final area A2 is going to be 125 into 125, because 25% increase and 25% increase, right? So 125 into 125. Now what is that you get? 15625. So this is the square units. Okay. Now this is the initial area and this is the final area, and there is an increase. So that is what they are asking, percentage increase. So how to find out the percentage increase? The change is A2 minus A1 divided by initial A1 into 100, right? So now if you see this, it is going to be 15625 minus 10,000 divided by 10,000 into 100. So this one is going to be 56.25%. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Okay, one other way of solving it is, if you see this, both are increased by x%, right? So I told you that when both are increased by x%, it is x plus x into x divided by 100% is the total increase in the final answer, right? So if you substitute 25 there, you are going to get the same one, 25 plus 25 plus 25 into 25 by 100. Okay, you check that. Okay, next question is, the diagonals of the squares are in the ratio of 2:5, then find the ratio of their areas. Now we know that area of formula in terms of diagonal is 1 by 2 d square, right? So from this I can write that A1 by A2 is equal to D1 by D2 whole square, isn't it? Now it is already given that the diagonals are in the ratio of 2:5, which means D1 by D2 is 2 by 5. So I can write like this, 2 by 5 whole square. So which is 4 by 25. So areas are in the ratio of 4 by 25. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral. which means without any security now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.